Networking devices. These are the hardware devices used to connect computers and other electronic devices together in the order to share files, resources like printer, fax machine, scanner, etc. Under this, first will come modem. Modem enables to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the existing telephone lines. It converts the digital signal of computer into analog signals which transmits easily via phone lines. So reaching the destination is easy. Modems are available in two categories, internal and external. There are various other devices, such as hub is also there, which creates a network and a device to connect multiple computers and computing devices directly to the network by using cables. In this, each connection is called a port. As a hub sends all the data it receives to all the connected ports. Switches. Switches contains many ports to connect different network segments. They are similar to hub but offer greater performance. When a network contains a large number of devices, switches are needed instead of hub to maintain the speed and communication between the devices. There are several types of switches like detector, rotatory, slide, power, push, dual in one line. So these are certain pictures of the switches. Switches can be used for incoming data. It receives only the intended part. A repeater is a communication device used to regenerate a signal. It receives electronic signal, then retransmit them. Signal tends to distort when transmitted over a long distance. Repeaters are needed so that the signal can travel these long distances with the strength of higher power. Though routers are used to connect different kind of networks such as LAN, WAN, etc. It plays a vital role in controlling the traffic and keeping the network efficient. It is the best route for the data packets to transmit. As you can see in the above picture, a bridge is similar to repeater just with the add-on facility of network. It is used to interconnect two networks like two LAN working on the same portal and provide communication between them, and it also reduces the congestion for entering in the network. Thank you and share, subscribe.